Hello, welcome to my channel. You know, most of us have plastic crates lying around the house, or maybe stacked in a corner of the garage. They're sturdy, they're lightweight, and yet we hardly think of them as anything more than storage. But today, I want to show you how these simple crates can be reused and turned into something totally new and useful. Let us start our project now. First of all, cut the top edges of crate from all four sides. For cutting, you can use cutter, saw, grinder, or anything that is available and easy for you. Your safety is important, so be careful while cutting the plastic. I will use pieces of wooden sheets on the top of crate. You can use cardboard or any other thing to cover its top. Now I am measuring the accurate size of crates. And then we'll cut the wood. More pieces are required to cover the middle of crates. Just wait, you will see the amazing results. While using drill machine, I will fix screws on all wooden sheets one by one. Please subscribe the channel and must share your comment below after watching complete video. I will thoroughly read your thoughts about this video. Finally, it becomes a hard and long-lasting top for crate. Cut one side of plastic crate. This shape is required for today's DIY project. Now I will fix the top on crate from all four sides. This crate is ready and now moving towards next crates. I will join these crates using cable tie. Fix it from all sides. Also fix the top floor using cable tie. The project has been completed. This is the perfect shoes rack in 3 portions. It can easily accommodate 6 pairs of shoes. If you want to keep more of pairs, you can increase the crates. Like this video and subscribe. Thanks for watching.